Hey Diva Dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with another video. Now today I partnered with MyFirstWigs and I am super excited to share with you how it is that I achieved this look, how easy and simple it is if you are a beginner for wigs. I mean, listen girl, I got you covered. If you want to see how it is that I did this to my head, stay tuned. Okay dolls, so we are going to jump right into it. This is my hair, just in some braids, a little fuzzy even, but again, MyFirstWigs make it so simple. You do not have to do a whole lot. So I'm just gonna share first what comes in the box. Here we have some shampoo and some conditioner samples. Then we have some wig caps. We have an edge control brush, some hair tamer, and this little pouch has a lot in it. It's hair clips, bobby pins, comb, and an elastic band. So I love how everything comes packaged. You get a cute little pink package. That way you can take your wig with you on the go or just store it. But the wig is well made. It has adjustable straps already built in. It's a full lace. It has these combs, so you can wear it glueless or gelless. It's adjustable in the back. It looks like the knot's already bleached. In fact, I did get this wig pre-colored, which is pretty nice. And then I want to show off the front because it's pre-plucked. So again, straight out the box, ready to go. The part's already pre-plucked. I can't complain, okay? So I already cut the lace off. Let me know if you need a video on how to do that. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I did cut the lace off and I'm just kind of putting it on my head just to see how it feels. I love how like it has the lace down to the front of your ear, kind of like the tabs, so it makes it easy to put the wig on. It feels actually very secure. And I just put the combs in on my head, and I kind of wanted to show you dolls how secure it is even without the glue or anything. So yeah, she's not going anywhere. Look at that movement, yes. But as you can see, the tabs, they do need to be slicked down. So I'm gonna show you a really easy way. Again, I want you dolls to know if you're a beginner, you can just grab your got2b glue or your favorite lace glue and put this wig on and be ready to go. So I usually do this with a brush because it's really sticky and I didn't want to use my finger, but this is got2b glue. This is not actual glue. This is a really strong hold sticking hair gel. So the secret with this hair gel is to go ahead and put it on in a thin layer. It kind of goes on white. You want to let it sit on your hair or your skin actually long enough to where it starts to turn clear. So this is me just kind of fanning it a little. You can use a blow dryer, but only on cool. You don't want to use it on heat because you don't want it to turn flaky. So once I feel like it's kind of clear, I go ahead and start laying down my lace. Now, mind you, I start in the front of my hairline and then I go ahead and do the tabs. I just find it easier this way, and I recommend to use the back of the rat tail comb that is in the box, because if you use your fingertips to kind of lay it down, you can actually cause flaking with the white gel and it will look bad, okay? So be careful not to touch it with your fingers. The oils from your fingers can kind of react with the gel and it'll look bad. So look how good this looks, y'all. I love how small these knots are. I love how they pre-plucked this wig. I think it's really pretty, and again, straight out the box, ready to go. So after you lay your wig, you want to go ahead and put down your headscarf or your head wrap. I usually do this just so that it can lay all of the hairs down. It kind of helps set your wig with the got2b hair gel, and at the most I usually leave it on for about 5 minutes. Okay, so after that I went ahead and removed it. Now I'm using the hair tamer that came with the wig. Basically, this is my first time using it, but I really did like it because it helped all the flyaways towards the top. Again, I just wanted to put the wig on. It makes it easy. You don't have to wear hair tie all day or anything. I'm also going to use here the curling iron just to kind of lay my head down on the top. I like that edge tamer as well because it wasn't too sticky, so I thought that was a really good thing that they put that in the box. So you can wear this wig as it came. You can just use your flat iron or something, but as you can see, I'm using Rucker Roots, their heat protectant spray. I like to use also hairspray, and I like to use whatever I would use on my actual hair, so I'm using that for my wig. So you can just flat iron this. I think the movement is really pretty straight, but I did want to give it a little bit of a spring beachy hair vibe. So I'm doing these messy curls. I don't mind that it's messy curls because I think the cut and the color really makes it chic anyway. So I'm just using my curling iron and I am loosely curling my hair, and I'm not being too particular about it, just kind of making these waves all along the sides. Now I'll try to put the direct link to everything that I use as far as the hairsprays and my curling irons, all of that, down below in the box. So if you're interested, check that out. So again, I'm just grabbing sections of hair and I'm kind of just curling downward and making these big loose beach waves. I think, again, I can wear this hair flipped down, like bumped under. I can wear it curled like this, or I can just wear it bone straight. This wig is pretty versatile, so I think it's definitely a good bang for your buck. And again, I did select the color option, so it did come pre-colored and I did not have to do anything besides style it. Now this part is totally optional. All you have to do is cut a few baby hairs if you want. I like that you can wear this hair with or without baby hairs, but I decided to go ahead and cut just a couple of baby hairs, and I'm just smoothing it down with the hairbrush that came with it. And there you have it, dolls. I am totally feeling myself. I think this is so chic, so beautiful, and after I curled it and laid the baby hairs, I think it looks really good. Let me know. Do you like the way it looks? Would you try this wig yourself? Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. I am an advocate for changing up your look, whatever you need to do to make yourself feel better. Sometimes a new style is just what your girl needs, okay? So instead of me having to cut my hair, worry about my hair, I mean, whatever, you see, I can just put on a wig and keep it moving. Hope you dolls enjoyed this video. In fact, if you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, please share this video with a friend. And of course, if you want this wig and you like this wig, I'm gonna put down below all the details in the description box, as well as a coupon code. Cause you know I gotta save my girls some coins, you heard? Don't follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. Be sure that you do that, and my name is @Chrissy, that's all. Also, I am on my way to 100K, I'm almost there, I can freaking taste it. I want to say thank you, dolls, always for rocking with your girls. So be sure you're subscribed to this channel, as well as my fitness and my vlog channel, and I'll put those links down below in the box as well. I want to say thank you, dolls, for all your love and support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.